So yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's your boy Chef André Davy, and I'm here to deliver a requested video from one of my subscribers. Yeah, a vegan friendly smoothie. So right here guys, I have some frozen strawberry, which I'm gonna go ahead and add some oat, and I'll be using roughly 3 tablespoons of oats. And then right here I have some banana. Yeah, that's 1 finger of banana. And right here I have some almond milk, and I will be using 1 cup of almond milk. Okay guys, this one is pretty easy guys, and it is vegan friendly. Okay guys, and then from there I'm gonna add some organic honey. Okay guys, okay, that is enough guys, and I'm gonna just go straight into blending. So let me go ahead and cover my blender. This one is super easy guys, trust me, and it is delicious. Okay guys, and it's ready. It's ready to be served guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour it directly into my glass. Oh guys, look how beautiful that is. And that is my strawberry banana milkshake with oat and almond milk, vegan friendly. Enjoy. Thank you guys so much for always watching my video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in another video. Okay guys, bye bye.